So this is our extruder plastic recycling machine. On the very left here we have the extruder, and it takes pellets of recycled plastic, and it can really use any type of recycled plastic. Here we're using ABS recycled plastic. So once the plastic goes into the machine, it goes into a extruder, and it has a big screw in it that's extruding the molten plastic, and it also has a heater, of course. So the molten plastic gets extruded out of a nozzle, which is the right size for the finished plastic diameter. So the plastic comes out of the nozzle, and then it goes into these two cooling baths, which very gradually cool it down from 200 degrees to sort of below room temperature. And we do it in two stages so that we don't sort of introduce thermal stress into the plastic, because we're cooling it down, we're quenching it too quickly. So after the plastic is cooled down, it goes on to this part of the setup. So this has two different rollers which firstly guide the plastic and then sort of put tension on the plastic. So we're pulling the plastic through, so it's fully supported from each end. And so also at this time we have this dial gauge, and this allows us to see what the diameter of the plastic is. So if we need to change any of the parameters, such as the water temperature or the feed rate, we can sort of see using this dial gauge how to do that. So after the plastic has been pulled through the whole process, it goes onto a spool, and this spool can then be placed directly into a 3D printer and be printed again. And you can sort of recycle that plastic as many times as you want.